How to use DeepSeek to make AI agents. So here's how you can do it. So first thing you want to do is install on Mac OS or Windows. So go to the Olama website and then it will show you the DeepSeek R1 locally. So from there, download DeepSeek R1. And then next thing you want to do is also click the download and install Olama after installation. So you can do the command plus paste on your terminal and run this following code. And after that, you can also install on Linux if you want and choose a model size appropriate for your device. So DeepSeek R1 comes in these sizes: 1.5B, 7B, 8B, 14B, 32B, 70B, and 1671B. And that's the models of DeepSeek. And now these models have their own code for Olama. And you can choose this ones here and copy the code and sample code for quick running. And after that, you can then use Olama to use DeepSeek to create AI agents. Now, Olama itself is an AI agent creator, so you can use it to create agents using DeepSeek codes run. So simply just type this code here, create the application, and type this terminal code here, copy it, and then sample and use the source code and paste it in the Olama app. And then after that, you'll be able to use DeepSeek to create AI agents.